Hello and welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. I'm Barrister Garn. Today we're talking about a topic many people wonder about. If you threaten the other party that you will sue, go to the media or expose them in order to make them pay money, is that illegal? The answer cannot be given simply as yes or no. It depends on four key principles. The first principle is whether you actually have a legal right. If there is a real debt or you are a genuine victim of fraud, you can threaten to demand repayment, but if it's a gambling debt or a debt already paid off, then you cannot. The second principle is whether the matter you threaten about is connected to you or serves the public interest. If you are directly affected, such as being cheated, you may threaten to file a complaint. But if you are not involved at all and still demand money, or if you use your official position to threaten, that is clearly illegal. The third principle is whether you are demanding more than what you are entitled to. If someone owes you 1 million and you demand 1 million, that's lawful. But if you demand more than that or threaten to expose personal matters in order to get extra money, that may amount to extortion. The fourth principle concerns the method of the threat. If you threaten to sue or file a complaint, that is an exercise of legal rights. But if you threaten violence, abduction, or exposure of private matters unrelated to public interest, that is an unlawful threat. Examples of what may be illegal include threatening to expose someone for having 4 wives just to force them to pay money, or threatening to photograph a car in a public parking lot, and shame the owner when you have no right to collect fees. Examples of what is not illegal include threatening to sue if you have a valid claim, or threatening to report a factory dumping waste into a river, since that concerns public interest. Improper threats may fall under various criminal offenses such as extortion, blackmail, defamation by publication, or even violation of the Personal Data Protection Act. Let's test this with a scenario. Suppose Mr. A threatens that if Mr. B does not pay for parking in a public area, he will post photos of the car online. In this case, Mr. A would be guilty of unlawful solicitation and may even be liable for extortion, because he has no right to collect money in a public space, and his threat to expose in order to force payment shows intent to coerce. To summarize, whether a threat is legal or illegal depends on your right, your connection to the issue, the amount you demand, and the method you use. If you ever face a situation where you are threatened to pay money, apply these 4 principles or consult a lawyer for certainty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get first-hand news.